How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Ricky and this is my channel's Rickysfoods. So it's finally cool enough to be outside and be making videos again. So today we're going to be doing a tri-tip. We're going to be using the PK grill and it's going to come out delicious. So I hope you guys stick to the end. So let's get started. All right, guys, so here we got the tri-tip. It's 2 pounds. I got this from Walmart. I mean, it looked really good, so I end up getting it. And then to do a tri-tip, it's really easy. It's one of the easiest meats you can do. It doesn't take too long to cook. All right, so this is how it looks out of the package. And there's bare minimal trimming when it comes to a tri-tip. Only if you see hard fat. What I like to do, if you see hard fat like this right here, that's hard fat right there. I'm just gonna trim that off. Silver skin, you're gonna trim that off. And I like using a flexible knife, so that way it makes it easier. So you just wanna go ahead and just go under it and just peel it off. That's pretty much it. This hard fat over here, I'm gonna take away. Even though I do like fat, but come on now. Too much fat, it's not so good. Make sure you get under it and make sure your knife is very sharp, because you don't want to have a dull knife and just you're just gonna end up hurting yourself. So make sure your knife is very sharp, makes it easier. So that's pretty much it, guys. So I'm gonna speed this up because I don't wanna bore you guys just me trimming this. So let's get it. All right, so that's how much I'm gonna trim off the tri-tip. Like I said, I'm not gonna go crazy. I'm gonna leave a little bit fat in there, like you see right here. There's a little bit of a fat seam right there. I got a little bit of the silver skin, not too much. I mean, if you want to go all out and trim everything off, obviously you can. But for me, that's good enough. So for today's rub, I'll be using this jalapeno garlic rub. It's from Loot and Booty. Let me get this in focus for you guys. So I'll be using this on the tri-tip. I've been using this on steaks or any kind of beef, and it's really good. So it's gonna pair up good with this tri-tip. So let's go ahead and put it on. It's not very salty, so I go heavy on it. And it's also gonna give it a nice bark at the end, a nice color. Well, not bark, it's gonna give it more like a color once it's done. Because we are gonna sear it at the end. We're gonna do a little reverse sear. We're gonna take the internal temperature probably like around 115, 120-ish. And then I'm gonna go ahead and sear it so we can get color into it. And I wanna be done when it reaches like 130. And then the carryover is gonna carry. Because I'm gonna chop this up for tacos. That's what I'm gonna do today with the tri-tip. And all the extra rub you have all around, just use the sides for it. That way we can use everything. Nothing goes to waste, even though I might a little bit over here. So this crevices right here, make sure you put rub in there too. And that's pretty much it, guys. So after that, I'll be using my thermal work. That way I can monitor the temperatures from inside the house. All right, so put it right there, right in the middle, on the thickest part, right there. And that's pretty much it, guys. So that's the tri-tip already with the jalapeno garlic rub. And then it's pretty much it. We're gonna put this inside the PK grill. So let's go. All right, so the PK is up to temp, and I'll be putting the tri-tip on the cold zone over here because we got two zones. We got the hot zone over here with the coals, and we got the cold zone over here with the tri-tip. Like I said at the beginning, I'll be doing this reverse here. The tri-tip, I'm gonna take it all the way up to 120 internal temperature. After that, I'm gonna remove the tri-tip, and then I'm gonna get the coals nice and hot, and then we're gonna sear it on both sides for a couple minutes so we can get that nice color. So let's go ahead and put the tri-tip in. So here's the tri-tip right here. I'm gonna put it on the coals one over here. Over here, just like that. I'm gonna try to have like the thickest part closest to the fire, like that. All right, so it's nice right there. I also added a chunk of hickory wood in there so we can give it a little bit more flavor. But other than that, that's pretty much it, guys. I'll see you guys back in a bit. All right, guys, so it's been about 30 minutes with the tri-tip, and my alarm went off at 120 internal temperature, but that took forever to come outside. So right now it's reading 127. So I'm just gonna use a quick thermometer just to confirm that it's reading that temperature, which it will. I already checked it. So it's 126, 125 on the thickest part of the meat, 120 over here. So I'm gonna put this on the side, and then I'm gonna let the fire get super hot so we can give you a quick sear. So let me put this on the side. So right there, guys, look at that right there. Boom. And one thing I forgot to mention, the PK grill was running at 300, and like I said, for 30 minutes. That's one thing about the tri-tip, it's done super quick. So now I'm just gonna leave the PK grill open so we can get the fire nice and hot. So I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, guys, so it's been about 10 minutes and we got the fire nice and hot. I can barely keep my hand in there, so it's nice timing. I got the there with the leaf blower behind me, so I mean, can it get any better? So let's go ahead and put the tri-tip in here. All right, guys, so here's the tri-tip right here, and let's go. So I'm only gonna sear this for like, I don't know, less than a minute on each side, because I don't want to go too long because it's already cooked. I just want to develop a better color, and that's about it, guys. So let's get it. All right, guys, so it's close to a minute and it's starting to flare up. So I'm just gonna give it a quick flip, just like that. Then look at that color. I don't know if you guys can see the color because it's kind of like, I don't know, but that's what it looks. That's a nice color already. So we're gonna do the other side, same thing for about a minute, and then I'm gonna give it probably one last flip and we're done. So see you guys back in a bit. All right, so it's been close to a minute. I'm gonna give this a quick flip, and boom, that's a beautiful color right there. All right, guys, and that's pretty much it. I'm gonna give this probably a few seconds on each side, and so I'm gonna take it out and let it rest for a couple minutes, 10, 15 minutes, depending how hungry I am. And I will see you guys back when we try this tri-tip out. So see you guys back in a bit. All right, so it's been a couple minutes. I couldn't wait any longer. It smells really good. It has a nice color, like I said. That rub, it gives you a really nice color. We reverse sear this tri-tip and give you a quick sear at the end. And that's pretty much it, guys. Tri-tip is easy to make. Took about 30 minutes for it to get to 120 internal temperature. Give it a quick sear. It was tempting around 132-ish, and that's fine. I'm not dice itself for tacos anyway, so that it doesn't bug me. So let me bring you inside and see how it looks inside. So let's go. All right, so here's a tri-tip. Like I said, it looks good. I'm gonna bring this a little bit closer so you guys can see it. It has a nice color and everything. And look at the juices right there. I haven't even cut it open and look at the juices. All right, and just remember with the tri-tip, the grains are running different. So just make sure you pay attention to that. I'm just gonna cut it right here through the middle. Boom, just like that. And oh, that's a beauty right there. Let me put this a little bit closer. Look at that. So let me cut a slice so we can taste it. Boom, just like that. All right, guys, so here's the little piece right here. I got my little nieces, they want to come out in the video. My little nieces, I got my little one right here. Yeah. All right, so let's give it a try. Oh, really good. Nice smoky flavor. That rub, the jalapeno garlic rub is really good with beef, like I said. So it came out delicious. Hope you guys liked the video. And like always, I'll see you in the next video. Ricky out.